Okay, I'm going to show you how to get the bars off of trixx and put on your ODIs. Real simple, just going to do one side. Make this video short and sweet. Okay, you're going to need your 10mm ratchet, flathead screwdriver, and some Allen wrenches, particularly the number 2.5. You want to go in here with a screwdriver, pluck out that cap so you can get to the 10mm bolt. There you go. You're gonna get your 10mm ratchet. Okay, once you get your 10mm bolt out, just take it, boom, yank it right off. What you want to do is get your ODI rings. You want to put it on your grip first. So there's some little grooves in here. You line your grips up with the grooves and snap them on. I only have one hand, so I'm going to show you when I finish it. This is on there. Nice laser etching. It's my nickname. And you put it on the other side. You're going to take your ODI cap, put it on the bar end, snap it in place. Everything's together. Now you take your bar end, put it on here. You get them in the right spot you want them in. So you can see that cowboy B that they lasered on there for me. And get your logo upright. You need to get your Allen started with your 2.5. Tighten it all the way down. Tighten that one down. Once you get them all screwed in, they'll be locked down. No movement at all. No more spark bite. I wear gloves anyway, but for the people who get the spark bite from the standard grips, this is a great option. It's about 46 bucks. If you get the etching, about 43 without it. Great deal. So everybody get out on the water. Be safe. This has been Bishop. You guys have a good one.